dino dance party, he's a dancing machine. Move your feet, clap your hands.
Did you know animated kids song videos like this are getting millions of views on YouTube? The best part? You can create one in under 30 minutes using AI. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to make an engaging kids song. No songwriting, music, or animation skills needed. First, we need a song idea. For this, we'll use ChatGPT. Simply ask for 10 kids song ideas, then pick your favorite. I chose Dino Dance Party. Next, we'll generate the lyrics, again with ChatGPT. Just prompt it to create lyrics for your chosen title, and voila, you've got a complete song. All prompts are provided in the description below. Check them out. Now it's time to bring the song to life with music. Head to Suno AI, link in the description. Log in, enable the custom feature, and paste the lyrics. Set the style to Nursery Kids Song and give it a title. Click Generate, and in seconds, you'll have 2 versions of your song.
Roar loud, he's the king of the scene. At the dino dance party, he's a dancing machine. Move your feet, clap your hands. It's the dino dance party across the land. Twist and turn, hop so high. Join the dinos as they touch the sky.
Pick your favorite and download it. For visuals, we'll use Hailuo AI, a free text-to-video generator. First, ask ChatGPT to generate prompts for each scene based on your lyrics. Then, paste those prompts into Hailuo AI, adding a consistent style like Disney Pixar animation. Copy the prompt template for Hailuo AI from the description. Replace the placeholder specific scene description with the corresponding prompt provided by ChatGPT. To create more scenes, you can either modify the prompt or simply tap Recreate without making any changes, or ask ChatGPT to generate additional prompts for variety. Finally, sync the visuals and audio using a video editor like CapCut. Upload your song and clips, align them with the lyrics, and export your video. That's it. Here's the result.
Roar loud, he's the king of the scene. At the dino dance party, he's a dancing machine. Move your feet,